Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name Abdan Fatir Hidayat. My student number is 2025 2025 032 71. Okay. Good day everyone. Today I am excited to presentation the design concept for the name card. When we set out to create this card, our goal wasn't just to make an identification tool, but to create a physical presentation of the name card brand identity. The design you see on the screen flows modern industrial aesthetic. We wanted something that felt solid, professional, and sophisticated. It uses a monochromatic palette, mostly blacks, whites, and gray to convey a sense of authority and timeliness. The visual centerpiece, the background logo. Let's start with the most striking element. The large AV or AVL monogram in the background. The 3D effects. Notice how the logo isn't just a flat 2D image. It has a chiseled 3D stone curved texture. This represents strength and stability. It suggests that the foundation of AVL is set in stone. Next, composition. The logo is placed slightly off-center and oversized. This creates a dynamic hero element that breaks the boundaries of the card, symbolizing growth and a forward-thinking mindset. Lightning and the contrast, the use of high contrast shadow creates deep. The way the light hits the A and V guides the viewer's eye across the card, ensuring the design feels alive rather than static. Number 3, branding and identification. Okay, next. Moving to the top left, we have the primary branding block enclosed in a semi-transparent frosted overlay. The circular logo, we include a singular version of the AVL logo here. This serves as the official seal of the organization. Typography, the word member is written in a classic serif font with an outline effect. This font choice adds a touch of elegancy and prestige, distinguishing the holder as an exclusive part of the AVL community. Next is transparency, the frosted blue-gray. The frosted blue-gray box is a deliberate choice. It provides a breathable space for the text so it doesn't get lost in the busy background, while still allowing the texture underneath to peek through. Okay, next, the bottom right corner is dedicated to the most important part of the card. The member's identity is important part of the card, like the info overlay, similar to the top left. We as a rounded semi-transparent rectangle. This creates visual balance and symmetry in the overall composition. Next, profile picture. We have a placeholder for a square format photo for a member card. The photo is the primary point of verification. And the next is data fields. We have four clear lines for information. First is the name, the primary identifier, and the second is student ID or name. This indicates that the organization has an academic or institutional connection. An academic or institutional connection. And the next, a major, highlighting the member's background. And the next, Instagram. In the digital age, networking is key. Adding a social media handle bridges the gap between the physical cards and the members' digital presence. Okay, next. I'd like to talk briefly about the technical aspect. First is color theory. We chose a cool tone. The blue-gray overlays contrast beautiful with the natural gray. The blue-gray overlays contrast beautiful with the natural gray of the stone background. This prevents the card from looking too dark or gloomy and give it a tech-savvy, modern feel. And the next, hierarchy. The design uses a clear visual hierarchy. Your eyes first see the big logo, then the member tag, and finally land on the personal details. And the next, print potential. If this were to be printed, we efficient matte finish with a spot UV on the AVL logo. This would mean the stone textured logo would be slightly glossy and raised, giving the card a tactile premium feel when held in the hand. Next, in conclusion, this AVL member name card is more than just a piece of plastic or paper. It is a badge of belonging. It is a badge of belonging. The design is bold enough to be remembered, yet professional enough to be taken seriously in any environment. It's balanced, heavy industrial texture with a clean, modern UI elements. By giving members a card that's look this refined, we are increasing the perceived value of the organization itself. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.